Welcome to another edition of Maskard. What's up, guys? Alex from Couch Art Studios here again. Another mask unboxing for you today. This one is huge. I guess I say that for everyone, but this one I've been eyeing down for over a year, and I got lucky, and the guy ended up, I asked about it. His name is Michael Kazu. Yes, brother, Maskard. So I asked him over a year ago if he would sell this to me, and he wasn't selling at the time. The mask blew me away. I saw a couple of pictures he put up. Today we're gonna have the NIGHTOWL EVILUTIon, okay? Now, from the original run, I think there's only about 2 or 3 copies still alive. It's from like a very early, 05 or 06. But anyway, so, and this is by NIGHTOWL, Justin Mabry, hard, always. So, this is kind of like the brother mask. It was the earlier mask to the Maniac. So it has a very Maniac look, but it's a little more over-exaggerated, a little more pissed off looking. And as far as non-screen accurate looking masks, this is one of the ones that I had to have. I don't really like too many of them, but this one is just, it has a certain Myers look, I think, that a lot of the lighting delivers and stuff like that. Not necessarily the features or in the sculpt, but anyway, let's get to it here. Alright guys, there you have it. So, it's the Maniac's older brother. He came first. You can tell by the features, they're a little more exaggerated, a little more aggressive, the look. But from when I saw this, again, there's only from the original 1, 2, 3 in existence that we know about, I think. And this one is from the later run. The signatures inside were only from Roland Kelly, so it doesn't have a year on it. As far as Mike informed me, this was from a later run, but I'm happy to have the Evolution in my collection. So I've always wanted it in there, and now it's going right next to the Maniac. So I'm gonna try and get a couple of close shots. What it is today. We're going to be doing some more showcase type episodes as well, guys. These are the unboxings, the reactions to my new pieces and stuff like that. So type it up in the comments below. Tell us what you think. Any questions that you have, and we can help each other and figure out more and more about this. Man, I like, especially over here, I like it. It's like a thick, in areas, it's a medium to thick pull, and I really like that. It's tough. It's a tough pull. So I like this hair and the rough ass finish that our brother Roland Kelly. Nice car. I also like how the mouth cut, it isn't cut. I prefer that because, again, I don't like gaping. So this is perfect for me. It's sealed, it wasn't cut, but it makes the sculpt, it leaves less, I say it leaves less to chance. This is the sculpt, this is the mold, it looks perfect. I don't need a mouth cut. So, anyway, nice card. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Thanks for all your support. Thanks for your subscriptions, your comments. Stay safe, stay happy, but mostly, stay high.